Are you suffering from weakness on your posterior chain muscles from your neck, upper back, glutes, and hamstrings, and you need to improve your overall standing sitting posture? Hi, my name is Annie. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. In this video, we're going to do a lovely foam roller, elastic band strengthening exercises. If you don't have a 3-inch soft foam roller, click the link on the description below. You can access it. It's going to be releasing next week. I'm so excited for you to try my own product, foam roller that's soft and great for absolute beginners. Check out the link, and if you need my help and guidance, I'll be relaunching my back masterclass. Click the link on the description below. Be part of the early bird waitlist for a huge discount, plus my free 6-part video series to learn more about core back protocol and how to improve your core, your upper back strength, your overall posture to regain life without back pain, to have a stronger core and improve overall posture. So if you have a forward down the shoulder posture, it creates this tension on your neck. You want to make sure the center of gravity, when you place it on top of your crown of your head, is not passing through when your forward head all the way behind you. It should be a little bit behind your ear, the tip of your shoulder. And if you look at this diagram, that should be the right center of gravity. So you're conserving your energy and you're not straining some joints, especially in your low back. So it's important to really engage these posterior chain muscles. Posterior means at the back side. As we live in our life, right, it's a lot of forward lifestyle, being on your phone, when you're driving, cooking, cleaning, we're always going to this rounded shoulder posture. So that's why it's important to do these exercises even 3 times a week. Or if you're limited in time, even once a week will make a difference. But if you're sitting a lot, if your job is a lot of desk work, then it's best to do this every single day. Yes, you're right. Every single day to improve your overall posture. So let's begin the program by engaging your upper back using the foam roller. We're going to sit on it. And you need an elastic band. So I have 2 banded elastic bands, but Sandy, she's a beginner. She has a 1 single band. So you're gonna lie down, making sure your head is touching all the way up. I'm short and I have a 36 inches foam roller. If you're taller than me, then you can use a pillow to support your neck. And with the elastic band on top of you like this, you take a deep breath through your nose. Inhale. You're gonna separate them apart, keeping it in the center. So she's one banded. You can feel the tension, Sandy. You're pulling it. As you breathe in, breathe out, punch to the ceiling. And then exhale, squeeze your shoulder back. Inhale, reach. Exhale back without bending your elbows. Keeping the band tension apart as you breathe in and breathe out. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And from this position, I'm going to slowly reach overhead. As you breathe out, separate the bands apart. Feel that on your shoulders, right, Sandy? As you inhale, exhale all the way down back to the center, to your hips, to your leg. Breathe in, breathe out, up. Inhale, exhale. Squeezing your core in and squeezing your scapular muscles, targeting. The foam roller helps give proprioceptive feedback on your spine. If you have scoliosis, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, back center. Breathe in, breathe out, overhead. Keep separating the band apart. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And 1. Now we're going to do diagonal. So starting from this position, we're going to separate your right arm up to the right, like this. There you go. And then the left arm pulling it down. There you go. And then back center. And then for Sandy, she's just separating her left and right. For me, I'm pulling overhead in a diagonal way. It's like I'm pulling an arrow and then keeping my hand on the side. So right arm down to the side and then left arm overhead. But for me, I'm pulling it down because it's double banded. So inhale, exhale, separate. Back center and then switch right arm overhead and left arm down. So I'm pulling my left arm down to the center and pulling my back up to the right. I'm really engaging my upper back. Breathe in, breathe out, switch, overhead. It's like I'm making one letter Y, one side. And then back center, inhale, switch. Breathe out as you reach overhead. And then back center, and then switch. Squeezing your core in, breathe in, breathe out. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last set. Well done. Now we're going to go overhead. Both arms overhead. And then side to side, reach to the side. So you're pulling your left arm down, up to overhead, and your right arm down to the side like this. There you go. And then switch to the other side. Pulling my left arm down and right arm overhead. Breathe in and breathe out. Switch. Keeping your core engaged. And switch. 5 more. Feels a good stretch, right, on your shoulders, Sandy? Inhale, exhale. 4 more. 3 more. 2. And 1. Well done. Now we're going to switch it up. We're going to go on our stomach position with the foam roller in front of you and the elastic band around your forearm. So for Sandy, she's going to separate it apart. For me, I'm going to place it around my hands. So the foam roller is in front of you with your forearm on it, like this. Resting on it. And then you're separating the band apart. Yes. So you're going to roll it forward and separate the band apart. And lower your chest down. There you go. As you breathe in and then breathe that roll up and lift your shoulder up to engage your upper back. So down like this, Sandy. Separate and then up. There you go. Engage your core. Breathe in, breathe out. Separate. Keep pulling the bands apart while I'm lifting my shoulder. So reach forward and lift up. Squeezing your upper back. So on my forearm, I'm really engaging my upper back. And my elbows up, elevated. And then down. Roll it forward and pull up, keeping your elbows up. Don't rest your elbow. There you go. Feel that on your upper back, right? Inhale down. Exhale up. 4 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3 more. 2. And 1. Well done. Whew. Feels a lot on the upper back, right, Sandy? It looks so simple, but it's hard. Now we're gonna rest our forearm like this. So my elbow is resting on the foam roller. I'm separating the bands apart. And you can keep it like this as well. And then we're gonna bend your knee left and right as you turn your head left and right. Yes. 10. 9. Feel that on your back, right? 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Whew, and rest. Whew. You feel that? Now we're gonna swim and lift your right arm up and then left leg up, pulling the band apart. So you want to make sure like this, alternating left and right. 1, opposite side, right arm and then left leg. There you go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. We're going down now. All fours position, let go of the elastic band. It's hard to target the upper back, right, Sandy? We're gonna do some bear hug, which means lift your knees up like a bear. Plank first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your knees and tap your one shoulder to the side and switch. Again, lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down and tap left and right. 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap. Last set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and tap. We're gonna do cat and camel to stretch your back, round your shoulders. To an angry cat. Tilt your pelvis in, look up to the camel or cow, and then round. Back and forth, stretch your back. Feels so good, right? 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. And then we're ending the program for a child pose. Roll the foam roll forward, lower your chest down, and rest for 30 seconds. 5 deep breaths in the child pose. And if you have scoliosis and you know your rotation, slowly roll up. If you have level scoliosis, which is the curvature towards the left, you want to open your right side. So place the foam roller to the left and then child pose. Open that right rib cage. Hold it. 4 more deep breaths. It's important to cool down properly so you don't get too sore. Slowly roll up. And if you have dextroscoliosis, which is scoliosis towards the right, then twist the foam roller to the right to open your left concave side. And slowly roll up. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely foam roller elastic band to improve your posterior chain muscles. If you love this video, want to strengthen your core or your back and be guided by me with my back masterclass, click the link on the description below. Be part of the early bird waitlist for first come first serve basis, as I'm going to relaunch and reopen very soon, and access my free 6-part video series regarding my core back protocol. I'm hoping to see you inside to learn more about back masterclass and regain life without back pain, to have a stronger core and improve overall posture. If you have more time today, watch this video about episode 1 of core back protocol, and this one, episode 2, about proper breath work. Thank you, Sandy, by the way, for joining me again, for always having in my videos. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy. You. Bye.